Hey everybody, Don here again. Well, it is Sunday afternoon, and I think it's the 17th. Today's the last day of the first weekend of rifle season. And I'm in an area that is a big area. A lot of cutting gone on up here over the years. It's about a 3,000 acre. It's under conservation easement, so that means it's open to hunting. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to poke around and see what I can see. I just talked to some guys that were headed out, father and his son. They hadn't seen anything, but it's been the story of my life so far this year. Let's see if we can change that today. Feeling good. All right. Well, I'm seeing boot tracks, but nothing from today. Well, that's good. Yeah, it really wouldn't matter. This is such a big piece. Somebody else could be hunting in here. I only help move deer around a little bit. Also, I've seen some deer tracks right in their boot tracks, so I would say the deer have been in here more recently than the man. And then there was some tracks going up this way, coming down that way. So I'm hoping the wind is right in my face. Actually, it's blowing across me this way just a little bit, which is okay. Down in there, you can see there's a whole bunch of deer tracks in the snow going up that way. Coming right back here, going right back behind me. Perfect. Lots of deer sign up here. I'm surrounded by oaks. I got bed and cover, winter bed and cover here behind me. And I'm going to sit here for quite a while. It'll take me about 45 minutes of straight walking to get back to the truck, but I might sit here right until dark because I think this is a pretty good spot. So we'll hunker down and get in for the duration. Man, it's a beautiful day. I nestled down in a little bit better, a little more hidden. Wind's blowing just perfect for this spot. What do you think? Do a little rattling? You never can get enough of that, can you? Okay. If you insist. Wind is coming right in my face. Just drop off back behind me, so they're not too likely to come from that way, but if anybody heard me try to get downwind, I could get busted. Lunchtime. All right, well, it's 2:50. Sunset is at 4:21, so I got an hour and a half. I'm going to stay right here where I've been for the last hour, and I'm going to stay right until sunset, and then it'll take me 35-40 minutes to walk down to the truck, so I'll have that 30 minutes of shooting light still while I'm walking. I love this spot. I haven't seen anything, but I haven't even jumped a deer today. Man, I don't know what to tell you. It's one of those years. Anyways, got another hour and a half hanging out here, and then we'll walk down to the truck, and maybe we'll see something when we're walking out. The sun's gone down behind the mountain. It's about 20 minutes until sunset. I think I'm going to start poking real slow. Work my way down and around towards the truck.